up, and all these people were like, it's a power issue, power. And I was like, it can't be a power issue. I bought the correct power supply. What the heck is going on? And then like some random guy, and he called himself a noob, and I was like, you're not a noob. Everybody is a noob at something. He goes, maybe it's the breadboard? And I was like, it can't be the breadboard. I just thought this way.
Well, I mean, you know what it is. It's like
freaking breadboard.
You replace everything until you got nothing left, and then you
oh! So I replaced a bunch of wires because I thought my wiring was incorrect, still had the same issue. So eventually I replaced the breadboard and rewired everything, which took like an hour.
Okay, so can you break it down for me? What exactly am I looking at? What are these components?
Okay. So first off, you have all these LED strips. It's not actually a big square. It's actually a long strip of cable that looks like that. So those can be broken into, I stole them from you, sorry. So these are the color 50/50 RGB LED strips. You can get them off Amazon for like $25 a strip, and one of these will give them